Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select page transition, page mode, scroll direction, page fitting and appearance on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on your note and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on settings down below, and here you can select the page transition, whether you would like it to be jump, continuous or curl. The page mode can be set as well. The first one is single, double or automatic. The scroll direction can be set also, the page fitting and the appearance as well. And here you can select the brightness of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.